Hello friends, welcome back to TMS Technology Made Simple. This is Naveen. Today I'm going to demonstrate the usage of the wireless headset. That's a Bluetooth wireless headset. So in my first video, the unboxing of stuffcool Lewis Bluetooth stereo headphones, I had demonstrated the unboxing of this product. Now I'm going to demonstrate the usage of this product. So let's go down deep onto this. As we know already that this comes with extra 3 sets of earbuds depending on the size of your ear hole. It also comes with a USB cable, but it does not come with an adapter, so I had to use a spare from my mobile to charge this, which I have already charged this, and it also comes with a user manual. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's go deep onto this now. So as you see, it has two ear hooks, one for the left, one for the right. I guess this is the left. Let me zoom properly. Yes, this is the left, and the other one should be right. Yes, it is right. And this, the right earlobe, contains most of the functions plus the buttons. Here, I'm not sure if you're able to see. Here you will see the earphones. Yeah, the small, the minute hole that you see. And this also has couple of buttons, that is plus and minus, that is for the volume. And this also has a button only on the right ear hook. This is the button, which is MFB. That is a short form of multi-function button. What does this mean? So that means there is only one button for you for most of the operations that you're gonna perform on this headset, except the volume buttons, that is increasing and decreasing using the plus and minus. So let's see what are the functions that we can perform with this single MFB button. So let me show you the user manual. So this is listing all the functions that it can do along with the specific instructions on how to. For example, the same MFB button, that if you press for 3 seconds, that's your power on, and the power off, so you have to long press the same MFB button for 3.5 seconds, and then you have the pairing option. So if you want to pair with your mobile or any of your devices from which you want to share the audio, for example your smartphone, sorry, of course the smartphone, the smart TV, your tabs. So in order to pair, you have to press for 6.5 seconds, and in order to answer, short press one time. So while ending the call, just once short, and if you want to reject, long press it and hold it for 1 second, so that disconnects or the rejection of the call. And double press of the MFB one time at the end of the number redial, in order to redial it. So short press the MFB one time to cancel or end. Yes, pause, play, that is for the audio, and the volume minus, volume plus, which is a short or long press, volume minus, volume plus, sorry. So when you say a short press, that is either the minus or plus, that is just the volume. If short press, it decreases the volume. If you short press the plus one, it increases the volume. But whereas if you long press, that is you are changing the songs, you're going backward or you're going forward. So now I'm going to pair this with my smartphone. So I am in the Bluetooth settings. Let me switch on the Bluetooth and get into it. So let's see. So before that, what I have to do is switch on. I mean switch on the pairing mode. In order to do that, I have to press this button for 6.5 seconds. So let me press this at the same time. Let me see if we see any lights here. It says you should be able to see blue and red lights. So I am pressing it now. Yes, now you can see both the lights here, both the colors, blue and red. And now let me turn on the Bluetooth on my mobile. So let me turn on. Okay, I have turned it on. Let's see. Okay, that is my laptop. Okay, Louise, here you see the headset, the wireless headset. So let me just click on it. Okay, it's trying to pair and it says connected. Okay, so let me just see if, let me just wear it in my ear and see if I can make a call uh, to see if really works. Okay, let me just dial some number. I'm not going to show you the number, sorry for that, but let me see. Okay,